Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yung Happy. So unboxing po tayo ng WE Tactical XD Series o DM Series. Ayan, so unboxing tayo. So WE Tech DM Series, commonly known as XDM, is a popular fully licensed green gas blowback airsoft pistol. It's toy only. So ito ay replicating the real world Spring World Armory o XDM. So itong DM ay 3.8 compact. So yan po, may mga markings. 45 ACP. Ang meaning po ng ACP is automatic cold pistol. Compact 3.8. Yan. And then 15 rounds magazine capacity. And then grip extension, meron siya kasama. So dahil short barrel siya, FPS niya is 320. So metal slide, polymer frame, color black, and then tan color. And then may serration, both slide. And then meron siyang railings, pwedeng lagyan ng laser or flashlight. Yan, so mga markings niya. Yan, mga serial. And then same siya ng Glock. Meron siyang safety dito. Ayan. So pinupush yan dito para mag-safety. And then left and right na magazine release, naka-imbus. And then meron siyang pivot tail. And then meron siyang front and rear sight, naka-fix. Ayan. So compatible siya sa Tokyo Marui parts. So napaka-solid, napakaganda nito, compact 3.8. Ayan. So ito yung slide stop, and then ito yung pag-disassemble ng unit. Ayan. So mga kabengbeng, ito po ay yung ating WE Tech DM Series o XDM 3.8 compact. Thank you. So test natin itong unit natin na XDM Series compact 3.8. So may BBS and gas na po yan. Ayan. Syempre eye protection bago mag-test ng unit. So naglagay ako ng bilog dyan sa box. So ano yun, sumablay yun, pumasok, dalawa. So ito, try ulit natin. So nag-slide stop na po siya. Try natin. Pasok ng magazine, clicking sound. So release natin yung slide stop, firing. So napaka-solid itong unit natin na XDM Series compact 3.8. Thank you.